Dissertations and theses at USC are stored in two locations, the USC Digital Library and ProQuest. This tutorial focuses on searching the USC Digital Library. You can access the Digital Library from the USC Libraries Homepage or type in the URL digitallibrary.usc.edu. Dissertations are one of the collections, so click on Collections and then scroll down until you reach the University of Southern California Dissertations and Theses. Then click on Browse. If you click on the University of Southern California Dissertations and Theses link, look for and click the Browse This Collection tab. You know you are on the correct page when you see Browsing Items in 17 Collections. The USC Dissertations and Theses were separated into 17 individual collections, and you are now searching across all of them. Say I'm interested in online harassment by students, and I want a dissertation published by my colleagues in Rossier. To limit to a specific school or degree program, use the arrow to the drop-down menu and then click on Advanced Search. This search engine was created to search many different types of collections, so the terminology is not intuitive for our purposes. Subject indicates the degree program and author keywords. Creator is author. Contributors refer to the school and includes advisors. Description abstract limits to the author-created abstracts. I'm interested in a dissertation from Rossier, so I will select Contributors and type in Rossier. I can add additional terms by clicking Add Another Field and change my mind by clicking Remove. Click Search. Note that you've searched 17 collections and all of these have been published by the Rossier School of Education. If you want to limit to a specific degree program, you can use the drop-down menu and return to Advanced Search, or scroll down and click on the subject. From this menu, you can identify specific degree programs and click on the one that interests you. Alternatively, you can scroll up and use the search engine to look for specific words authors used to describe their subject. For example, I'm interested in harassment. In order to stay within the 17 collections while searching, always click Search Within Results and then the search icon. However, from this search, I will only find dissertations where the author used the exact term harassment. The search engine will ignore alternate options, such as harassing. Click the X to remove unwanted terms. Use an asterisk to retrieve alternate spellings. So I'll use harass with an asterisk to tell the search engine to find harassment and harassed. Click Search Within Results and the search icon. Note, if you forget to click Search Within Results, use the back button and retry the search. To review a specific dissertation, click on either the link or the picture. A yellow page under the Thumbnails tab indicates the page you are viewing. Use the inner scroll bar to view the document and the outer scroll bar to view information about the document, including author, creator, degree program, subject, school, contributors, abstract, description abstract, author keyword, also subject. To locate a word within the document, use the internal search engine, but you must use complete words. Click Go. There are 34 incidents of the word harassment in this document. Click on the Content tab and scroll down to find the pages on which your word appears. View the page by clicking the link. You can read, share, print, and download the document. To return to your previous search, use the back button. To start a new search, click Browse This Collection. For additional information, click the Help button. Alternatively, click USC Libraries and then Ask a Librarian. We're here to help.